everyone. I'm Dr. Austin, the Associate Dean for Academic Affairs in the UAB School of Public Health. I lead the Office of Student and Academic Services and will be your primary point of contact as you consider a degree in public health. We handle recruiting and provide information to prospective students, admissions counseling to make sure you find the right degree program, and we're here to support you throughout your time with the School of Public Health. We're excited that you're considering a degree in this field, and this brief overview will provide you with the key things you need to know about the School of Public Health at UAB. Your first question might be, what is public health? One of my favorite definitions says that public health is the science and art of protecting communities. It draws on the scientific fields of biology, chemistry, and physics to understand how the human body interacts with the environment. Public health also makes extensive use of data to make decisions, so it uses math in a very practical way to help us understand what puts our health at risk. But public health is also an art, because it requires us to think creatively about how to communicate with people, how to encourage people to make healthier choices. But the most important thing to know about public health is that it's about prevention. A healthcare provider treats a patient in the clinic or the hospital once they've already become sick. In public health, our job is to prevent whole populations from getting sick in the first place. In all our degree programs, we teach you how to use the science and art of public health to make a difference in the health of your community. Here are some key things to know about the UAB School of Public Health. We are currently the only CEEF-accredited School of Public Health in the state of Alabama. That means that everything about our school, our curriculum, our faculty research, our community engagement has been carefully reviewed by experts in the field of public health to make sure that we're doing all the right things to prepare our students to enter the public health workforce and make a difference. As a result of that commitment to high-quality education, we are currently ranked as the 19th best School of Public Health in the country on the U.S. News & World Report rankings. And that top ranking covers all of our degree programs, including our many master's, doctoral, and coordinated degree programs, and our undergraduate program as well. We have 5 departments within the School of Public Health, and each focuses on different aspects in the broad field of public health. I encourage you to check out the website for each of these departments to see all the different degrees they offer and what kinds of public health issues the faculty focus on. On our website, you'll also find a tool to help you decide between a research-based degree and a practice-based degree. This is a really important distinction because it shapes the kind of job that you'll be prepared for. I encourage you to think very carefully about what you want your career to look like. Is it behind the scenes, doing high-level research at a university or a think tank? Or is it out in the field, working hands-on with people every day? We've got the degree programs to help you get into a career where you can make a difference, and we're here to help you figure out your path. This graphic shows some of the organizations that employ graduates of our school. As you can see, there's a mix of public and private companies, industry, research, governmental agencies, and state and local health departments. This graphic really drives home the point that not only is public health everywhere in everything we do, public health jobs are everywhere. The employment outlook for people trained in public health is excellent and is expected to continue to grow in the coming years. This is a great time to be in public health. One of the most important things to know before you submit your application is where to apply. If you're applying to a standalone MPH program, MSPH, or DRPH program, you will submit your application through sophus.org. Applying through Sophus can seem overwhelming at first, so leave yourself plenty of time before the deadline and reach out for help when you need it. Applications to all other programs will be submitted through the UAB Graduate School website. Here is a list of our admissions requirement for our master's programs. I do want to point out that the GRE is not required for the MPH, though if your application is borderline, the department may ask for GRE scores to strengthen your application. If you're interested in the MS and biostatistics, be sure to carefully review the mathematics requirements on the department's webpage. Here is a list of our admission requirements for our doctoral programs. Whether you're applying for a master's or doctoral degree program, we have a team of admissions professionals ready to answer your questions and guide you through the process. The application deadlines for our current and future admission cycle can always be found on our website. We are still accepting some applications for the fall term, so start your application today. One of the things that makes our school unique is the number of coordinated degree programs we offer. Just as we've said that public health is everywhere, it's also a useful perspective for people pursuing a wide range of careers. In healthcare fields like medicine, optometry, and pharmacy, but also in fields like law, social work, or nutrition. We partner with schools and programs across campus and across the state of Alabama to offer these highly relevant coordinated degree programs. I encourage you to reach out to our admissions team to learn more about how to take advantage of the cost and time savings these programs offer. We have 2 dedicated admissions staff who can help you find the right program and prepare your application. Hannah and Dustin are ready to answer your questions and help you throughout the admissions process. If you have a passion for helping improve the health of communities, consider a degree in public health. We hope you decide to join us.